Here's a quick practical tip that you can use in your classroom. I use AI as a curiosity engine in my middle school science class. Here's a simple strategy. Before starting a new unit, I ask students to generate 3 why questions about the topic. Then we use AI to refine those questions into testable investigations. Instead of giving them the answers, I have them critique the AI's response. Is it accurate? Is it biased? What evidence is missing? In just one class period, students practice scientific thinking, digital literacy, and collaboration. AI does not replace inquiry, it amplifies it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment below, like, and subscribe. Have a great day.